Today we will be playing slime RNG again as always. So I'm gonna do this. Bro, that did not count. So okay, I'm gonna turn off the volume so you can hear me while I speak slowly. Okay, so I just turned off the volume now. You can hear me, I think. So I am just playing slime RNG again. If you, I'm not saying hello guys again because I think you could hear me because I speak loudly in that part. So I'm gonna play this slime RNG. Yo, cheese already. I'm gonna get some cheese. Now it's actually I'm gonna get some milk. I'll be quick. I'm gonna get some milk. I'll be back. I am sick. Come along down with me. You are not alone. You will see. Let me see. Yo, I have so many upgrades. Like literally, look at this. Come along. Look, I'm actually the Ottoman Empire now. So, I thought I was 1 billion. So, more big enemies? 10% more often. That is kinda not worth it. For 750 billion, that's not worth it unless you're way more pro than me. Yo. Oh, I thought I was also gonna get. I'm gonna 8,000. Look. I have 2 times luck now. I think so. Let's go get some real. Let's go grind something. What is this? No! I'm so close. Sure? Now I have double the luck. Now I have double the luck. Luck. I have so much luck. I'm gonna get some milk. So, I am just here like a chili. So, yo, look. This is some volcano. I already have 100,000. Get out! Before I start recording, I usually got 2 bonus rolls. 2 bonus spins in a row. Like, isn't that insane? I guess not. So, let's go on me. So. There is some. I'm gonna get some milk. Get out! So, let me just look. That means I will get way more OP stuff than before. Yeah! Yes! Let's go, gang. Let's just wait for you for one. Okay, let's go. It is getting better. I have bought a lot more updates because I collected 15 billion offline money. Do you know how insane that is? Last time I got 1 billion offline money. No, 15 million, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's insane, bro. That's insane. Literally. Humongous really OP. What is this? Yes! Please something good, please something good, please something good, please something good. No! Where's the buggy? Sure, I won't be ungrateful. Super good. I could probably kill them with just my gun. I wish you could get 2 guns. Wait a second. Can you actually get 2 guns? Yeah, probably not. Or it was from the player category. So, no way, right? No. Rapid fire? 10 times. Now that's a small boost I have. It does sometimes. Run gunning. Hello? I just got this recently. Okay. Oh, let me buy the next one. I'm gonna get some fries. Like that, quick. I'm gonna get some. As a star man flexing in the sky. He likes to flex on everyone. My pets are just one-shotting everything. Take the L, what the heck, grab for the hole. Yo, what was that? 1 and 9 next alien? What's it? I'm gonna try to go to animal abuse on Saturday. This is so rare. No one will ever get this, bro. Like, no one. Has someone ever gotten this? Yeah, probably not. But if I go there, here, let me go just check. Oh, yo, there might be a chance. Oh, dang it. Yo. Big Bemmy. Bemmy is playing this game, I think so. Or just a fan. Maybe. Stay behind me, I'll protect you. Oh, cheeseburger. Why do I not American? So don't call me fat. Nah, that'd be disrespecting your own country because I think most of American most of YouTube users are American. Yeah, like 100%. If even I got to say. No. Oh, I can properly do that. Can you escape? Okay, wait a second, I want to try out something. It's left in me? Oh. Hey, boy. So the invisible wall is just that big. Okay. Yes, 40. This, and this. And big another dice. Huge dice. Yo. Let's go. Took. Right. You're right. See? If I try.
Mo tak ko sige na. Lak. Sa pag mo mo tak. Sa na no pet ko din.